Hey guys, it's Shannon. Today I'm going to give you a look at my Easter mantle, my coffee bar and entry, all decorated for Easter. So let me show you. So here's a look at the entry. Little puppy taking a nap there, Maverick. And on the front door here, I have this homemade bunny wreath. And if you can believe it or not, all of the supplies for this wreath are from the Dollar Tree. So that's not a DIY I did for a video, but I did do it last year. And it's just a big wreath, a small wreath, some pipe cleaners covering some wire, and then that Spanish moss, and then I added a bow. So it's all just kind of attached with wire and hot glued together. So there's that. And then over here on this entry shelf, I have it decorated for Easter. So this banner is from the Target dollar spot. This little guy is a pick, actually, that was from Hobby Lobby, and I took the pick off. This here is from IKEA. This sign here is from Hobby Lobby, and then it just repeats itself, so IKEA. And then another little pick that was from Hobby Lobby. So now let me show you in here. And I have a video that gives you a much more in-depth look at the mantle, so I'll just kind of give you a big overall pan of how I have it displayed. And then you can go check out that video, which I'll have linked in the description box, as well as the iCards if you'd like to go see a more detailed video on the mantle. Coffee table, I have a cute little centerpiece, and it's a galvanized tray that I got from Walmart last year. They may have them again right now for spring. And then there's just some burlap on the bottom, a cute little glass bunny container that I got from the Target dollar spot. This bunny was from the Target dollar spot too. And then an old book, a vintage book, and this terrarium was from Michael's. And then inside I have a sweet little bird, a wreath, some moss, and some rocks. And then of course these little carrots that I did for a video, which I will link up in the iCards if you'd like to see how to make these from Dollar Tree supplies. Back here on the side table, I have a cute little bunny. I believe I got this from Hobby Lobby last year. And then back around this way is the coffee bar, so let me show you that. So here is the coffee bar, all decorated for Easter. So this wreath here in the middle is from Hobby Lobby, as well as the brown bunnies. And then this container is from IKEA. The little carrots are from the Target dollar spot. And then a Ray Dunn mug and a DIY book that is from the Dollar Tree. That's another DIY video that I did, so I will link that in the description box below as well if you'd like to see how to create your own vintage looking book. So now down here, the sign here I handmade. And over here with the Keurig, I have a basket from Hobby Lobby, and then have some K-cups in there. And those carrots are from Hobby Lobby as well. The tray is a DIY. That again, I will link that tutorial down in the description box below. I have some pretty lace laid along the back of here. And this bunny and this bunny are actually puzzle bunnies, and they are from my childhood. My grandpa actually cut these and my grandmother painted them. So they've been around a really long time, and I absolutely love them. They will for sure always be coming out with the Easter decor year after year. This bunny here in the middle, as well as this little guy right here, are from Hobby Lobby. The canisters are from Marshall's. And then this little pie tray is from Hobby Lobby from the fall last year. But I keep using it season after season because it's kind of, you know, a nice farmhouse staple item. Here is a basket with a little nest in it from Hobby Lobby, both of those. And then a milk glass vase, and those flowers are actually from the Dollar Tree, if you can believe that. And then over here I have a clock, which is from IKEA. Very cool looking old clock that was very inexpensive. And then a Ray Dunn mug. And then last but not least, I'll show you this little centerpiece that I created. It is a placemat from IKEA. This is the bottom tier of one of those 3-tiered trays from Hobby Lobby, and I just took the other 2 tiers off, so I'm just using the bottom. And then inside is a boxwood wreath that I laid down that fit perfectly in here. And then I have this little ceramic bowl that's on a stand, and I got that during Valentine's Day one year at Walmart. And that's another thing I just keep pulling out season after season because it's just kind of a nice staple item. These eggs around here are DIY'd, which I will link that video down below as well. These are Dollar Tree Easter eggs that I turn into more of a farmhouse style. Really simple and easy, so go check that video out as well. So that's a look inside of my Easter decor. I hope that inspired you guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Hit the bell as well so that you get notified when my videos do go live, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.